In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this company letterhead in Microsoft Word in less than 3 minutes. You will need company detail in a decent size for the letterhead, registered address, contact details, any other company information like registration number, VAT registration, and any details on specific formatting like colours or fonts. We're going to start with a completely blank document and do everything from scratch. Double click the header at the top of the page, editing the header section. Next we can type the name of the company and we can do the formatting as we normally would on the home menu. So I can choose blue 26 centered. Next I'm going to insert the logo, so I'm going to go to insert menu. Remember my cursor is still in the header section. Insert picture from this device in my amazing widgets. There it is. Now I'm going to set that to be in front of text just by clicking this button here. Fixed position on the page, and then if we go into this section here you can specify the absolute position against the page of where the logo is going to be. I'm going to set mine to 1 centimeter to the right of the page and 1 centimeter down from the top. Now whatever happens, that logo should stay exactly there. If I want to change the vertical alignment of this top row, if I go to the header and footer tab that appears, I can amend this up or down. So I'll just put that where I want it to be and then I'm done. If I go to the footer section now, I can pick up my information, Control C to copy that, Control V to paste it there, press the delete button a few times, just make sure you haven't got any extra rows in here that could be affecting things, and then again format these as you would normally. So I'm going to set this text to be grey, I'm going to set this down to size 10, and I'm also going to center it. Go back to the header and footer tab, footer from the bottom. If I reduce that down, I can get that to whereabouts I want it on the page. If you want to set the margins for this document, double click to put you back on the main document, go to the view menu, click on the ruler. This will let you adjust the margins visually, but if you prefer to put the numbers in, you can go to layout, margins, choose one of the presets, or go to custom margins and put your information in there until you're happy with it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful and good luck making your own company letterhead.